might have been them maybe, but we didn't call it. Yeah, I'm not sure. Does it say 12:45? What's the name? Happy Race? No one in here is going to be Happy Race. We're on Joven. We have Joven in here. Okay. Perfect music. Whatever, they won't play the part of the song. Good now. TGI Fridays. You got to start the day off right.
There you go. I took a picture of it and I put, how's that service desk going?
That's a Sean.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Oh, that's perfect. All right, so what I plan to do this time is I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna take it, and I'm gonna, oop, all right, 2 more floors. Ooh, 1 more floor. Got it. What? Oh yeah, we parked away. I'm gonna say Aaron hopefully knows. Yanni? It's Laurel actually.
Now back to the quizzing and Q3. A full collection of something is known as a whole kit and what? Panzerdoodle, almond strudel, caboodle.
Is it caboodle?
Yeah. I want it all and I want it now. Whether it's your funky stamp collection or your fab closet for Louboutins, you want the whole kit and caboodle. Yeah, you do. Caboodle for the win. 483,000 of you now. Now, we're not sure of the etymology of this phrase. It might come from boodle, meaning a lot of money, and you're one step closer to the money today. Q4, which exports using a spherical ball, lacrosse, rugby, American football.
Okay, well it's not American football. Lacrosse, right?
Now we'll find out.
I don't know what rugby is.
Your court for this question to make sure it's perfectly round. Spherical, you might say. Like lacrosse. Who's crossing over to the next round? 357,000 of you are. Now rugby is an old enough sport that we can assume American football.
Okay, well there are some people from other countries in here, so it's I guess I can accept it, because I didn't know what rugby was. But over in wherever the fuck they play rugby, they're like, this fucker doesn't know what rugby is?
Donkey Kong, the Oregon Trail.
Oregon Trail.
That's real to my liking.
Think.
I thought we played video games with fake reality, neighborhood mediums with exhaustion, and yes, this is as well. It's the Oregon Trail. That's the gaming question.
Good job, Slick.
What are you talking?
Jake the slickest. Why do I exist? Well, you see, Our good Lord Savior God. No. Jesus Cristo. All right. 1 and 4.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
2. Wait, shit. You said 2. Oh shit. Oh, that was the most stressful thing of my whole life.
Is that a yikes?
That was indeed a yikes.
How much your skills work?
Well, I'm just gonna 1-8 your
It is very much a joke.
All your Pokemon are fainted.
Ooh, I just thought of something cool. I hate Florida traffic. Right now? God damn.
Hey, I will log it next time.
Okay, Jake, look, I'm gonna take it. Toss it. See, and then now it's up here. See, we're good. See, Jake, I'm a genius. Can you tell me I'm smart, Jake, please? Thank you. Jake, I need you to come here real quick. Come here. We need to talk about something. We need to open this door up.
What kind of gay shit are you about to do?
Can we talk about why that pool looks like a dick?
What?
The pool looks like a dick.
No, it doesn't look like a fidget spinner.
It looks more like a fidget spinner than a penis.
Fine.
Don't worry, guys. I'll drive one of these days.
Dylan, you can drive a beach if you want to. I mean, I'm already used to your shifting.
This is a zoinks.
Aaron's gonna be the one flying over the fucking backseat of the car.
I won't be in the back.
I'm gonna have to ask you to stop being BM to me, Jacoby.
Right,
What did I
you're
do
gonna
to
be in the
deserve-
windshield then.
What did I do to deserve this? I am nothing but nice, and my friends just trash on me. Eee. I didn't fall.
That's not going on.
That's all I got.
Talking away, I don't know what to say. I'll say it anyway. Today is another day to find you shying away. Oh, I've been coming for your love, okay?
Achy breaky heart.
No, if I'm gonna watch it now, I'm not gonna watch it later. 'Cause I didn't know what it's about. Only these 2 videos that I watch over and over.
get your own, create your own pizza right here, $18, get all that shit. Where do you want your pizza down?
Huh?
Where do you want your pizza?
Are we doing one or two?
Just one pizza.
I like ham and bacon. I could care less for pepperoni, but if we
Do you want ham and bacon?
yeah.
Ham and steak. Ham and bacon on 1/2 for Dylan and then cheese for us.
Well,
Jake likes pepperoni.
no, I wanted to get, I want green peppers and mushrooms in there.
Why is this so It's I'm getting frustrated. I'm mad that it's so quiet. Just wait till it ends done because I have to up my volume since I can't make sound in my videos apparently. All right, I'm gonna do a short little tour of the house because I didn't do that on day one, and this will also be for my family and Snapchat. So I'll probably do one on Snapchat separately though. But here we go. So we got like couches here. Nice TV that Aaron just turned on and then went and got a shower. So this is Aaron's room. He's in the shower. I'll show that in a second. Then we have like our little gaming area where we play here on the laptop. I don't know what the point in the sink is. Why are you here? What do you do? That, like, I charge stuff here. I don't know why I'm not charging my phone there. I've got my drone stuff here, bunch of little equipment, big mirror. There I am. And then the door's here, which leads out to the view. We have somebody coming to deliver pizza, so kind of would have been awkward if I opened that up and I was recording him. And then our kitchen area, and then in here we have some ironing stuff. And then there's a washer and dryer in here that apparently doesn't want to open up. We got 2 washes worth that they give us. That's a yikes. Yeah, garbage that will never get emptied unless Aaron does it. What is this even? Yikes. Bedroom, Jake's bed, my bed, little closet, and then this is also a charging station I use at night. And yeah, the only thing I'm really missing is the bathrooms, which the bathrooms are nice. I like this better. Bathrooms are nice, but I don't know. I don't know how important it is. I might record it once they're done. But yeah, there's that. I'm gonna go give my parents a call because I haven't called them yet either. So, peace. If he's sleeping, no. Please don't wake him up. I will call him tomorrow. Mom? No, it's fine. It's fine. Let him sleep, please, for the love of Christ. He has to, well, he worked today. Yeah. So. Yeah. Alright. Well. Alright, now that the camera's recording. Smash! Okay, got it. Thank you, Aaron. You're the best. Fuck you, Jake.
Don't record me, back out.